Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial. So this is TS Tech Talk, and today I'm going to be guiding you guys through on the latest features on the Facebook. Although this feature have been existing on your Facebook app, but you probably might not have noticed it or have not been using it properly or the right way. Okay, so you guys must have noticed Facebook normally have videos right here on your timeline whenever you preview, whenever you open your timeline. For instance, it depends on the group or the Facebook pages you belong to anyway. You can be getting videos like this one. It shows video playing, and you can notice it has bunch of things like you can like, comment, you can share the video with your friends, and you can also start a watch party. And right now this video is actually a watch party, meaning whenever you see a watch party, that means someone is actually watching it from the original source and then playing it right on a group which you belong to, or any group which the person belongs to. So Facebook video actually gives you guys option. It's just like their own video streaming part of their website, which it doesn't have an application yet, but for now there is a way to watch a whole lot of videos. If you guys want to go about watching video, probably you don't belong to so many groups or pages, you can also watch these videos on your Android device. So all you need to do is just to click on this menu icon right here and then scroll down a little bit where it says videos on watch. You can see this probably play icon on this just after the group icon. So go ahead and click on videos on watch. So from under the videos on watch, the first thing you see are actually the pages which you like or the pages which you're already following. So you're going to get to see all those things, and when you click on either one of them, it actually means you're actually following them. So you will see the videos they are uploading.
Today's word on minute with Maxwell is aging.
I'm going to go ahead and turn this.
Now, why would they ask a 71-year-old person to talk about aging? Because that's what I've been doing.
So I just paused the video. So now, if you notice, all things you're going to be seeing from right
I learned
here
that if you hang around like
videos of this person that I just clicked on.
It
actually means the person's page. These are the person's video which the person actually uploads. So right from all this area, all you're going to be seeing is videos. Although this person do upload content on their pages, but once you click on this video watch, all you have to be seeing are just totally videos. You won't see anything outside of videos, either images or other contents that are irrelevant to videos. So everything you see is videos, and if you actually click on this icon, you can just minimize the video
aging.
And
it's automatic.
You can minimize the video and then I don't want these sounds to be playing, that's why I keep pausing it. So you can minimize the video and still scroll and do other things you want to do.
Now, why would they ask us?
It's actually really interesting if you are understanding and following up what I'm doing right here. So from here on, you can see varies of all videos you actually want to view, and when you just scroll down, you can see other videos that are uploaded. But although this is not like YouTube, which is very professional, this is just starting up. So I think they are probably putting things in place, so very soon they are going to have more. And the reason why this one shows on top is because they are actually my watch list. It's actually because I've watched their channel more time than anybody. Actually, they have Facebook videos more than any other page on my follow list or on my like list. So whenever you like a page, you get to see their video show up on your timeline just like this. Once you are on the timeline, you get to see a lot of videos showing on your timeline, and those videos that are showing on your timeline are actually the videos you are following. Okay, just like this is a video. So the reason why this video is showing up is either I'm following that page or I'm actually following the group. So you get to see videos relating to whatever content you're following, and that's it. So if you want to see more videos, just go ahead and click on your watch videos area, and then either you watch on a particular video and then you hit a like, or you can just go to the person's page actually and then click on follow. So once you click on follow and you are on the home page or on your newsfeed, refresh. Whenever you refresh or come to your page, you see content relating to what you like. So I'm getting all these videos because they're related to the things I've liked, the pages I've liked, or the pages I'm following. So now I'm going to show you guys how to do more of this, how to create your page, and how to um get to become a video creator on Facebook. And I'm going to show you guys more professional things that I learned. You guys should notice on my on my page also that I also have content on it. And if you notice on my page, it actually says I'm a video creator. If you notice right here, and you can notice the other pages I have also, my gaming page, you can also notice it says I'm also a video creator. Where is it? Okay, for some reason it's not displaying properly, but you should just notice I'm a video creator on your own end because I'm the admin of this page, so it's not showing. So now you can see it has featured floodlight, and whenever you click on follow, and if you follow this page, that means you're going to be seeing whatever the person is posting. Immediately the person is posting it, and if the person is going live on that particular video, you are going to be seeing it also. So this is not pretty difficult. It's pretty easy. Just go to your watch area, see the videos, and you can just see all videos. Just keep scrolling, and for some reason, if you click on any video and try to watch it, once after that video finish playing, the next video is going to come in. Although, like I said, this is not like as professional as YouTube is, because you're going to be getting a lot of not recommended videos recommended to what you watched. It's just going to be showing you, and you need to be scrolling down and to be seeing different content, even though it might not be getting your suggested video, just like Facebook. Like I said, it's just going to be recommending videos for you that are already uploaded or recently uploaded, similar to what you like, but might not be accurate to what you are interested in. So don't be don't be you don't have to be angry with them because they're still growing, and I'm very sure they're going to grow up to YouTube standard someday. But right now, this is actually their level. So once you've seen content like this and you are interested in them, just go ahead and click on it, and you can notice on top area, on the top area right where it says the name of the channel, the name of the content and profile. This is not actually an individual content, it's actually a page. So when you click on it, you are going to see like the page, like, so you're going to become a supporter. You can notice when you viewed my own, it actually similar, but because this person already have a lot of followers, and the person is already recommended Facebook creator, so you can notice you can have badges because now is a fan-based stuff. So once it's a fan-based stuff, that means you're going to award badges to people. It actually a different kind of option, like, so once you follow this page, once you're a fan of this page, actually you get to be like a fan based stuff. And so you can notice this area, just like I said, my own content as a video creator. This person is actually a content creator or a TV show content creator, kind of. And whatever it is, the person still have a YouTube channel and still putting up his YouTube channel, since YouTube is like the most popular ones, but he's still putting up things on the comedies and on the comedy section on the Facebook page. So that is more like it. And you can also notice, you can also search for the person's content right here. And apart from that, I think I skipped something. Let me show you guys something. When you're on this page area, like the home page of the watch video area, this is how you can search your videos. I hope you guys understand what I mean. Let me just back out so that you get what I mean. So once you open your Facebook page and you want to search for a kind of video, you don't use this area to search. When you use this area to search for instance, I want to say how to clear cache. I'm actually trying to search my video. So if I search this video, this is actually my video. If I search this video, I might not get videos. I might get videos and content. You can see different type of content. But what if I just want to search for a video content? All you need to do is just to come to this section area, click on the video to watch, and then type on search. So if you search anything right here, you can notice it says search videos on watch. So if you search anything right here, it's going to give you the results it's going to display to you are just going to be video content. So it's not going to be showing content like images and articles for you. It's going to show strictly video content for you. So now I'm going to say I should search the same video. So now if I hit on this, you can notice the only thing it's showing me are actually videos which are here. It's not showing anything outside of videos. It's not showing any content. It's not showing images. This is actually filtered to be only videos. Although I can't find my video here. I think for some reason I'm not very good at the algorithm on this Facebook yet. I'm still trying to improve on that, and I will improve definitely. So once you've seen the video you like to watch, you just click on it and then right away start watching the video. Exactly. So that's how to do it, guys. Also you can also use filter, like you can notice where it says filter. You can select the filter and then you choose date posted. You can just say the date the person posted the video. I think YouTube have similar stuffs on their page too, on their YouTube channel too. You can select like this year. I mean, you can select like this week, this month, and today. But I think they missed this year. Maybe probably the this year means any date, like what YouTube also did. But I think YouTube have more filtered features than these guys, so than Facebook. So you can just select um this month, okay, and this month either what you want it live or you want it from a group or tagged location. Tagged location should be like Nigeria. Show results. Okay, now this is getting funny. This is actually not giving me the right content which I searched for. I think probably because there is no similar content to it. So I'm just going to clear it off and then it still shows me the default. So once you scroll, you see the default search results to it and print it as it. And you can also scroll down here. You can see that it also give you the same filtered feature and you can quickly select on anyone. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in supporting my Facebook page, all you just need to do is just from your Facebook search for TS Tech Talk. There is no different name. TS Tech Talk. Just type it on the search and you're going to see me first. Right now I have 669 likes, so you can just give me a like and you can check out my page. I also have videos posted there, but mostly all my videos are posted on YouTube first and then I just share them on my Facebook page. Not every time though, so you can just focus on my YouTube page. Just smash the like button if you like this video, and please you can share the video with your friends, and I'm going to be making more videos for you guys to watch. Sorry my video got longer. I just want to include more of interesting things to you guys so that you guys will understand it more. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, and give it a like button. And if you have a question about the Facebook page and Facebook videos, you guys should just leave it on the comment below and I'm going to give you guys more insight later on. And later on I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make money on Facebook and how to get monetized on Facebook, and there are Facebook requirements also. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel and follow up on the channel. I'm going to be making videos according to my video lists. I'm not showing you guys that. Very soon I'm going to be sharing that with you guys, although I'm just writing it on my tag. Okay, see you guys soon.